Today we will be testing a momentum strategy.
Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a momentum strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 578 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 78% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator with the Academy of Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator in a strategy that I'll mention later on in this video. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a momentum strategy. And so the source video says this free TradingView indicator is almost unfair. And so, interesting claim, like usual, typically have interesting claims on the source videos. As far as the indicator feeling like it's unfair, it's kind of unclear which indicator it is referring to because there is multiple indicators it showed in the strategy. But definitely while using the indicators, it didn't feel like they were unfair. Doesn't necessarily mean they're good or bad, but we'll put them to the test, see what we can get out of them. So we'll just hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the trend wave bands. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Go ahead and jump into the settings and just double check that the length is set to 45 and the factor is set to 1. Everything else should stay on the default settings. The second indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the momentum ghost machine. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump in to the settings of this one, and you'll want to make sure that the momentum length is set to 200. Momentum smoothing is 200. Post smoothing for MA length is also 200, and everything else down here should all be on default settings. I think uncheck the ghost mode right here. Jump into the styles and you'll want to uncheck the MA glow, momentum glow, and the bar color. Then go ahead and click OK. So what we're looking for a short trade example, we're looking for when the trend wave turns red like this here. Then what we're going to do is we are looking for price to break down below this dashed line that's created by the trend wave indicator. When it makes the break below that dashed line, we're going to look down to the momentum ghost machine, and we want it to have a red histogram bar like it is here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. And so we'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just kind of right above this pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see how we get a nice steady climb to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade setup, what we are looking for is when the trend wave bands turn green like this here. We're then looking for price to break above that dashed line again right here. And when it makes that break above the dashed line, we're going to look down to the momentum ghost machine, and we want it to have a green histogram bar like it does right here. And that would be our signal to then enter into a long. Put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below this pivot area right here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit.
Before we take a look at the numbers on this strategy, if you're looking for a profitable strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It has been put up against hundreds of other strategies and every single time has come out to be more profitable. I'll put a link to the video on this strategy up in the corner now, and on screen right now you will see the thumbnail to that video so you're sure that you're getting to the right one. So you don't have to worry about not finishing this current video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 32% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $13,600. That would have put your total profit and loss at negative $4,000. So does this indicator or strategy feel almost unfair? Possibly you could feel that way after losing a significant amount of money. So probably not the best strategy to dump your money into. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 44 trades altogether with the Academy of Forex indicator and the higher time frame fractal indicator, and we had right at a 75% win rate and a total gain right at $15,000. So definitely better results. If you have not already seen it, I'd like to introduce you to the newest indicator here at the Academy of Forex. It's a very simple but very powerful indicator. What it does is it helps to predict or anticipate what future price might be doing within a specific future time frame. To do this, we are aligning a higher time frame and specific candle formations, which make up the red and green tags as well as the blocked out period of time in between these two gray lines. This indicator can be used to enhance the win rate of existing strategies or indicators you may be using. For example, like the Academy of Forex indicator, which I did a whole video on, or it can be used just as powerful as a standalone indicator. For example, when we pick up a red label like this here, what we can anticipate is price is going to make for example, when we pick up a red label like this here, we can predict or anticipate that price is going to make an open, high, low, close formation. Or when you get a green tag, you can anticipate a open, low, high, close formation. This powerful knowledge will help you align yourself with the true direction in which the market is attempting to go. If you are interested in accessing this new indicator, just join our Patreon down below. Once you join our Patreon, you'll get access to our Discord, and just go into the NQ indicator request, tag me at DP Roberts, and request access to the higher time frame fractal candles indicator. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.